Hey everyone! The holiday season is the perfect time to travel and spend quality moments with loved ones. But let's face it, holiday trips can be a bit stressful without the right gear. Today, we're sharing 10 must-have products to make your holiday travel smooth, organized, and stress-free. As always, links to all the products are in the description below. Let's get started. First up, the OlarHike Packing Cubes Set. These lightweight cubes make packing a breeze by organizing your clothes and accessories into separate compartments. No more digging through your suitcase to find that one sweater. Everything stays tidy and accessible, a must for holiday trips with bulky winter wear. Next, if you're heading abroad, don't forget the TESSAN European Travel Adapter. This adapter features multiple outlets and USB ports, so you can charge all your devices while on the go. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for international holiday adventures. For a stylish and functional travel companion, check out the Taygeer travel backpack. This carry-on approved backpack offers plenty of space for your essentials, including a laptop compartment and separate organizer pockets. It's comfortable, sleek, and perfect for weekend getaways or extended trips. Stay on top of your luggage weight with the Travel Inspira portable luggage scale. Avoid surprise fees at the airport by weighing your bags before you leave. It's small, easy to use, and a lifesaver during gift-filled holiday trips when you might be overpacking. To keep your outfits looking fresh, pack the Downy Wrinkle Releaser Spray. This travel-sized spray removes wrinkles in minutes, so you can skip the iron and save time. It's a must for holiday gatherings when you want to look your best. For quick and easy makeup removal, grab the Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes. These individually wrapped wipes are perfect for traveling light while keeping your skin fresh and clean. They're gentle yet effective, great for long days on the go. Stay organized with the BAGSMART Travel Toiletry Bag. This water-resistant bag has multiple compartments for your toiletries and beauty products, keeping them secure and mess-free. Its compact design is perfect for fitting into your suitcase without taking up too much space. Freshen up anywhere with Listerine PocketPaks breath strips. These tiny, portable strips dissolve instantly, leaving your breath minty fresh. They're perfect for holiday dinners, long flights, or anytime you need a quick refresh. Maximize suitcase space with the Veken Packing Cube Set. This set includes various sizes, helping you pack smarter and fit more into your luggage. It's especially handy for those big holiday trips where you need outfits for every occasion. Finally, keep your beauty products organized with the EACHY Large Capacity Cosmetic Bag. This waterproof bag has separate compartments for your cosmetics and skincare essentials, making it easy to find everything you need while traveling. It's durable, spacious, and a must-have for beauty lovers on the go. And that's it. 10 must-have products for stress-free holiday travel. Let us know in the comments which one you'll be adding to your travel kit. And don't forget to check out the links in the description to shop these fantastic finds. Thanks for watching and safe travels this holiday season.